Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making grilled chicken skewers with a red wine sauce. For this I have taken chicken breasts which have been sliced and put up on skewers. I've then marinated this with olive oil, black pepper, salt, chili flakes and rosemary. Now, you don't really have to add rosemary, you can add any herb that you have. You can use fresh herbs or you can use dried up herbs. Salt, pepper, herbs, chili flakes and olive oil. That's about it. Let's start with making the sauce first. For the sauce, we have bottled barbecue sauce that you get in the market. So I've taken some of that, add that to the pan. To this barbecue sauce, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red wine to this. Just a little bit of red wine, glossy, give it a very good flavor with the wine. So now I'm going to put my sauce. I just put this in a glass because it's easier to pour it out. You can use the same pan because you're putting the sauce on top of the chicken anyway, so it's alright if you use the same pan. Now in this, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Pan heat up. Then I'm going to add my chicken skewers one by one. Guys, this next recipe is grilled chicken skewers in red wine sauce. This is going to take 10 to 12 minutes to get done to perfection. I'm cooking it on a slow flame so that they cook through nicely. And since I'm using chicken breast, it will cook faster than chicken leg would have cooked. And this is there you have it guys, a very easy recipe to execute. So try it and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another episode. Till then, see you.
Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today's recipe is very interesting and it's very easy. It is roasted potatoes with bacon. So now some oil in the pan. Now I'm going to fry some bacon. The bacon has become crispy, we're going to take it off the flame. Baby potatoes baked at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. In the bacon fat, you will add chopped garlic. Once the garlic has toasted brown, so now we have added tomato puree. We're going to let the tomato puree and the garlic cook for a bit. this we will add salt, some pepper, and some fresh parsley. Mix this all together, and once that is done, I'm going to add in the baby potatoes, the bacon, and give it a good stir. And done. Now on this, we're going to add our final ingredient, Parmesan cheese. Add on top just some fresh parsley. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have a feeling that you will try this at home because it is so easy and so delicious. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you all are going to take care. Bye.